My mate Bruce, and this is his Corsair K95 RGB, 250 bucks out of your pocket into some other bloke's pocket, and this is his review.
Hi guys, I'm Dash's friend Bruce. This is my keyboard. As you can see, I've got on a nifty little
Cherry Reds, mate, Cherry Reds.
Cherry Reds, nice quiet keys.
Quite quiet, better than blues, but it doesn't take a lot of activation force. Check out the rainbow on that cunt. Keep going, mate. Show us some more features. Hey mate, what happens if you reboot your computer? Does it show all the colours still?
No.
Well, that's not very good. That's pretty shit if you ask me. So it's a keyboard that has to be actively dimmed by a computer. And if you don't have a computer connected to it, it's just a keyboard. It doesn't do anything.
So if you are compiling, it'll
mate, I'm not showing you code. I can't show you code. That's
don't show the code.
No, you don't need to put your hand there. It's not in the fucking...
my sexual property.
Right. We got... Right. What else? Other features? Because come on, everybody wants to know.
It's got media, it's got volume, it's got mute, it's got this little lock.
Got quite a few macro keys over there, mate.
You should give it as well.
18 macro keys.
18 macro keys.
All bound to the calculator.
Calculator.
Keep going. Which one? Next one. Calculator.
This is just...
Fuck off, mate. This is a fucking serious review. I'm starting a review site, mate. Can you show us any other light shows?
Not easily.
Oh, that's right, because it's a fucking useless thing. You have to load up a crappy, shitty program. Just show us another light show, mate. Any more?
No.
Oh, it can't import? Oh, what's this? In summary, this keyboard is extremely expensive and probably not worth your money. But if you like pretty colours, it's worth your money. If you don't like pretty colours, it's not worth your money. Thumbs up from the
give it
thumbs up for the useless bugger who bought it.